Welcome fucking back, guys, to another episode of, you guessed it, not your real daddy, your gun daddy, where we do all things affordable guns, I guess you'd say, because people like to talk shit about my arsenal. But speaking of my arsenal, you'll notice it's a little lonely today. That's because it's fucking range day, boys and girls. Now let's get into this. Before we get into this though, make sure you please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, even if you like that type of stuff. I don't fucking know. But if you guys do like tuning in, please, I do appreciate it. Get it out there. I can't thank you guys enough for the subscribers, the people commenting. That's the most thing. I love you when you guys comment, man, because I get to actually interact with you. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Range day, sucker. We are back this time, guys, with a range day. Okay, I'm gonna do my best so you guys can hear me, but it is very fucking loud in here, and I apologize. We're basically just gonna be shooting it. I mean, you guys heard on the intro, we're here. I didn't bring all my stuff, but I brought most of my shit. I especially brought stuff that people were hating on. I didn't bring my Scorpion. I didn't bring my Scorpion, I didn't bring my Hellcat, and I didn't bring something new I got either. I brought my Glocks that I like to refer to as Gucci Glocks, even though I don't have too much fucking money into them. But we're here, we got them. All right, I even brought my high point carbine that everybody likes to talk shit about, but out of all the guns I have here on this table, for some reason, this fucking stupid thing runs the best. And I'll show you guys that right now. So let's check the lineup. We got the Taurus G3, 2 custom Glock 21s, and a high point carbine in 9mm. Let's pop it. We're gonna start off here with the Taurus G3. Not much done to this thing yet, pretty bone stock. Next up, we got the Glock 21 with the timberwolf's arms lower on it and a KM Tactical extended mag. To the third one, we got my Gen 4 Glock with a KM Tactical Shot Show slide on it. It's a complete slide. You'll notice this thing has been giving me some problems.
I'm thinking this might be the mag's fault.
I would learn it's in fact not the mag. Unfortunately, we switched to the Taurus Tactical and it was still doing it.
There's something going on. I've noticed lately with this slide, it's not the mag, because I thought it was earlier. This slide, for some reason, it's not buttoned up nice. One more time. There it is. I'm starting not to like this slide. It's sick. It's a badass slide. It's really badass. But we're gonna put that to the side bucket. I've been shooting here for a minute. That thing is oiled up. Look at, you can see the oil all over it, man. It's crazy, but I don't know. That one's, it was cheap. It was cheap, and that's why I bought it in the first place. Whatever. Let's move on. This is my old Gen 4 G21 slide with a, was it Lone Wolf Tactical Timberwolf large lower, and just some random stuff. I like O-lights. People like to talk shit, but they work. They do the job. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I was talking shit earlier about this mag, and it's not the mag. I shouldn't have been so harsh on the mag before, but it's not the mag. It's this KM Tactical slide. I really don't understand what the issue is. It's probably gonna have to get torn apart and figure out what the problem is. I have to do a little bit of gunsmithing. Whatever. Unless maybe it just doesn't like, unless it just doesn't like this ammo. Maybe it just doesn't like the ammo. I don't know. There it is. They hit. See right there. So I don't know what the issue is. It's not the mag. It's not the mag. I don't know. See, there it is. There's another one right there. I think for the time being, we're just gonna put this thing away. We're gonna put it away. And I'm just gonna keep cycling through. I'm just gonna cycle through all this shit. But it is kind of a bummer. The KM Tactical complete shot show slide is not doing too great. So we're just gonna put this thing away. I guess one thing we can do is we can get rid of the ammo, get rid of the 45 that we have sitting up here, then I can go through my 9mm. So why don't we just do that? Ah, look at that. Look at that. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the ammo I got isn't the greatest ammo. I got actually a lot of it is surplus that I got from a buddy of mine. I haven't had. He was like, yeah, you know, I'm getting rid of my stuff. I got a bunch of ammo, old ammo, and it's all really old. I got a lot of old 45 that's just been hanging out, not doing anything, you know. So that's gonna be it on the 45. I'm not gonna run any more 45 after that, besides the stuff that I already have filmed. How about that guy, a little present? I gotta save some 45 for work, you know. But now, before I run these 9 mils, let's get a fresh look at this. Don't worry about my shit leaning that way. That's a personal problem. But they're all on target. Get fucked. I want to give a fresh look before I start shooting 9 mil down the range, because specifically, I'm going to start with the high point. I want the people talking shit to see about this carbine. Not all high point stuff is bad. I don't know about the pistols. I'm not going to throw anything out there about their pistols, but their carbines, choice. And I have a lot of random stupid shit all over mine, so it's pretty cool. So let's rock it. That Amazon, I have an Amazon red dot, yes, but it's been holding 0 pretty well. So we're running it, all right? Don't yell at me. Okay? Clear. Okay. Now, I don't know if you guys seen that, but let's go ahead and bring that in. I remember I was shooting 45 at this. Where are those 9 mils at? Come on, y'all, look at that. Wow. All over that shit, all right? You can talk shit about high point all you want, but these things run, dude. These carbines, I don't know about, I imagine the 45 carbines and all the other ones are exactly the same. I have the 9mm. This thing runs, and it's fucking pretty damn accurate. Now, I'm not at a long range, obviously, but what's that? I think that's 30. I think that's 30 yards out. All over that bitch. All right, we're gonna move on to the G3. Now I know you guys, some of you guys see my other posts. I am planning on decking this thing out. I already got everything ordered. You know, Taurus and Lakeline does a lot of really cool stuff with this. So I got goodies coming. I got a barrel, I got a spring kit, I got grips. But this thing is slick, man. I've taken my requalification courses with this thing a million times, and it shoots great. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go straight headshots. We're gonna straight headshots, rock her out. Empty. Bring it out. I think that was pretty promising. Looks like I had 2 get away from me, maybe. But look at all those other ones. Those are my 2 that got away. That's all right. Don't worry about those little guys. But look at there. Boom. All on target. I may have had to give him a haircut on a couple of those, but that's all right. Look at that one right in the fucking tooth. Ale. But I think that's going to close it out, guys. I think that's going to close it out for range day. I think this was a successful range day. I
I mean, there you have it, guys. That's it. This has been another fucking episode of Gun Daddy. I hope you guys are still liking, subscribing, sharing this. Share it out there, man. I may not be your favorite gun tuber, but I'm trying to be. And I'm out here. Don't forget to support your local businesses. I'm out here at Range 42 in Norton on Barber Road. This place is chef's kiss. They're beautifully nice here. They are overly nice. I love it here. This is my preferred FFL. But this place is great. They have a nice selection. You know, they have other locations all over Ohio, and I'm sure out of Ohio as well. Maybe, who knows? I don't know. But Range 42 is awesome. They're the spot. I'm gonna pack it up here, guys. That's been it. This has been another episode of Gun Daddy.